Okay, so last lesson we learnt about fractions, and let's just revise our rules with the fractions. So the rules are you do the same to the top as you do to the bottom, whatever you're dividing by, or you can also multiply, but not add or subtract. Okay, so same to the top and the bottom. Simplify first always makes life easier because you're working with smaller numbers. And then once you've got it as simple as you can, you multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom, and then check again to see if it is as simple as it can be. All right, so we're still following our same rules, but what's happened now is decimals. Okay, so don't freak out when you see decimals in the fraction, because some drug doses do look like this, so we do need to learn how to cope with these things. But there's an easy trick to get rid of these decimals, and that's what we're going to do first. So we're looking at our sum here, not really a sum, anyway, multiplying of fractions. But because they've all got one decimal place, so I could times them all by 10, and that will get rid of all those decimals, and then I can work with nice whole numbers, and that will make me feel happy. So if I times them all by 10, what will I get? 15, 60, 45, and 75. And now it looks like a nice easy fraction to work with, because we all know our 5 times tables, right? We know that, easy. So you can divide any which way you like, of course, as long as you do the same to the top and the bottom, but all of these numbers, 5 will go into them. Or if you're feeling a bit clever, maybe you'll go with 15, because that also goes into all of these. So that's what I'm going to do. If you don't know how to do that, that's okay. You can just divide by 5, and then you'll probably divide by 3 and you'll still get to the same answer. But I'm going to divide by 15, and let's see what that gets me. Okay, so 15 divided by 15 is 1. 60 divided by 15 is 4. 45 divided by 15 is 3. And 75 divided by 15 is 5. Right, did I get all that right? We think so. Now that's quite simple. All I have to do now, multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom. 1 times 3 is 3, and 4 times 5 is 20. And that is as simple as it gets.